Hey, 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 it's Big Worm again. Well, got a few things to talk about today. First, we got the motor mounted. Got it. I had to change my board that I mounted to. I don't know if you can really see it very good because I painted it green, but I got a 10 horsepower Mercury on there. It's ready to go. And then my GPS antenna, I got it mounted, a little more better than how I had it. And I know I told you about it, but here's my dinghy. I got the oars for it. I got my 3 horsepower on it. The 3 horse man pushes that thing just all right. I can't complain at all. Man, we have got us some weather coming in. Look at that right there. That looks like rain right there coming right at us. They've been talking about it all day. I've been wanting to go sailing all day, but I didn't get to. Kind of bummed out about that. But the inside, I got the inside going. There's my ship shore radio. I've been sleeping up there in the V berth. That's pretty nice. I got my TV here. I got my little kitchen area here. The little board is covering up my sink right now. And there's my head. And, extra gas tank and some extra stuff there. But I figure I would do another, show you another video of the boat because I've definitely made some upgrades. So let's do it like we did that first video. Okay, here's my boat that I'm going to take my trip on. I got my lazy jacks down. You can see the wind turbine there spinning in the. I got to replace my flag, man. I think the winter. I had it flying up over the winter because American proud, baby. But now I have to. I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna have to change it. Oh yeah, here comes the rain. But let me get a shot back here. I got another mount for my my radio. There's my. See, there's the Mercury, and I got a good mount on the GPS antenna. Holy cow, we got big raindrops coming down, man. So I gotta jump. I gotta jump back up in this sailboat. Woo! Yeah, I'm gonna try not to put the door on unless I just have to, but you can see rain coming in, and I do have to put the door up, so I'm gonna have to cut this short. Mother Nature peeing down on me. So until next time, all right, bye.